Time to swim now. Let me go change into my swim. Yes, okay. So I want to swim, right? Oh, sorry, bro. That's good, right? Let me go change. Let me go change. I want to swim too. I want to remove my clothes. So be careful there. Go stay with your mom. Yeah, let's change. I want to swim now. See what? See? I'm not going inside. Gosh, I'm very scared of this. Okay, this is my second time of visiting this place. Okay, the first time I was so scared, man. It was me and my then girlfriend. So I just have to man up and get close to the water to just show up like I'm a man. I shouldn't be scared, you know, understand? So, but now I think, you know, this is not the second time now. I'm more courageous compared to the first time. Okay, see, I'm gonna swim a little bit. I just want to go close to it, just sit down, just feel the water on my body. That's just it. So change. I don't want to use this my white shorts. See how it goes. So my friends, they could do this too. Yes, let's go. Let's go on the size. How it goes. This place is called Araromi Beach. Okay. Let me just go and just check something out. So let me just. I don't know I need to put on something. No, I don't need to. I just want to put this down and we go swim, right? A little bit of stuff on the beach. Okay, that's it. So I'm trying to make something like nutrients around this place. So let's go. That's funny thing about that. Like, first time you're always scared of being and the second time you're more courageous. Then afterwards, it's become norms, okay? Right now I'm not scared because a lot of people here, that was one. Okay, I think they'll be safe. So should be all here. So should be. Let's not push and go. So let's see. I'm gonna sit down now. Yo! Something. I still coming again. Yeah, I love this. This particular one, this is my first experience of sitting some down water like this. I said that water big time, man. Salty. Yeah, I'm close. Scared. time, man.
Red champion, yes.
Yes. What your phone do? If the water go enter your phone. I think your phone may want to get Gosh, I had enough fun today. Let's do it. What's that?
That boy.
Yeah. I see this. Don't you? Okay. Yeah, back, man. Let's go. So I'll stay here for. Let's do push up. Let's take up on. I'm not scared anymore. Yeah, I'm going inside now. See again? Let's do this. Yeah. 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 Whoa. Man. Whoa. One time, man. Water coming, man. I got this. Nah, not this time. Almost fall inside the water, man. To be honest, I'm a little bit scared, okay? I'm gonna swim again. I need to rest some minutes. We go again. We are there. That's enough to rest now. Okay, still gonna swim. Just go out, have fun, be happy. Okay. Okay, we're done now. Gonna do like push-ups. Let me do push-ups then. Maybe a little bit of push-ups. Come on, that's enough. Oh, yeah.